place that Mummy loves. That's all.
I can't abide this apartment. It's so Russian and oppressive.
Aglaya. Katik.
Oh, Miss Lara.
I'm sorry.
Isn't that enough? And what's this?
We do that when there's a death in the house. Mummy told me about it.
We?
I mean the Russians. It's hard for me to keep straight on that. Where is Madame?
The dressmaker is here.
Madame is being fitted for... Oh, Miss Lara.
Please, Aglaya, tell her we're here.
It's Miss Lara.
They have to show their grief. It was hard for them coming to France, which they hated, because of my grandfather. And now he's gone. Don't you think it might be right to cover looking glasses which have seen too much? Things that are gone and make you unhappy to remember them. It's better not to see.
Miss Laura. Mr. Rowan? Madame will join you in a moment. There's tea in the drawing room. If you'll wait for her there.
Thank you.
Oh, if only I'd been with you, mademoiselle. It must have felt strange, having no clean things to put on this morning. Oh, forgive me. That seems a small thing, but I talk according to my trade. Permit me to offer you my humble sympathy.
Thank you, Ellen.
You've lost so much. So have I. I'm an orphan, and this family seemed so secure.
Yes, it was.
Surely nobody's coming. All this school feast spread, I mean.
Didn't you ever go to a funeral when you were in Russia? It's always so. The servants go mad and go on making more and more food. It's not only the people they're expecting.
And what else are they expecting? Ghosts?
Well, it's part of the treatment for relieving everybody's feelings. Why don't you eat some of it? That cold chicken they gave us at the hotel wasn't much. Have some plum cake. They call it that because they think it's like our plum cake, but it's much nicer.
Tea is good.
Yes. But there's a panic if the tea doesn't come from Russia. If they have to fall back on the tea Mummy brings from London.
So, it was horrible, but you could stand it.
Yes, it was horrible. Nothing to fuss over.
Fortunately, there were a number of helpful people there. Although it was regrettable that she was alone.
Goodbye, Edward.
Excuse me, Daddy.
Oh, Laura.
Darling Daddy's nuts, my coconut.
Now, tell me about your grandfather. Did he suffer much?
Didn't hurt him to die. Not at all.
How wonderful. I was afraid God's cruelty might pursue him to the very end.
It was easy for him. He shouted at the doctors because he thought the gas wasn't on. Whilst we talk in the dark like gypsies. And then he was dead.
Thank God. Oh, thank God. And Monsieur Kamenski is bringing his coffin. I was so glad that he was able to come to you.
I shall be there with white roses tomorrow at 4 o'clock.